We are describing third lesson of history, Nazism and rise of Hitler. In the previous video, we discussed about racial discrimination policy adopted by Hitler. Now, we will start the next topic, youth in Nazi Germany. Hitler adopted the policy of discrimination in schools, in education also. Earlier also we studied he invaded Poland and some part of European countries. He wanted to settle only the Nazi people in those areas. And he made the discrimination with the Jew people also. According to him, only the Nordic Aryans, they have the right to survive in Germany. Now, Hitler adopted the policy of discrimination among the youth of the country. According to him, schools, they should be purified. According to the theory of Hitler, only the Nazi have right to read in the schools of Germany, and the Jewish people, Jewish children, they should not be allowed to sit or play with Nazis. In 1940s, Jews were taken to the gas chambers also. So, everywhere he adopted the policy of racial discrimination. In the schools, what type of education given to the children? They were taught to be loyal and submissive, hate Jewish people, and only worship Hitler. Many youth organizations were also made in Germany, and youth organizations were responsible to educate the German youth in the spirit of National Socialism. Such as many organizations were made in the different age groups. At the age of 14, boys had to join the Nazi Youth Organization. And in this organization, they were given the education to worship war, glorify aggression and violence against democracy, and hate the Jewish people. So, in the age of 14, the children they were taught to worship war, to preach democracy, Hitler, to preach dictatorship, to hate Jews, communists, gypsies, and others who were undesirable. Undesirable means physically and mentally handicapped people. At the age of 18, they joined the labor service, and in this age group, they have to serve in the army and enter in any Nazi organization. In 1922, Youth League of Nazis was also found. Now we will start our topic not only in the schools, even everywhere children they were discriminated. So Nazi cult of motherhood. What was the Nazi cult of motherhood? In Nazi Germany, children were told women were different from men. Boys, they were taught to be aggressive, and girls, they should be submissive. Only girls have the right to become the good mothers. Girls had to maintain purity of the race, to maintain distance from the Jew people, look after their home, and teach their children only about the Nazi values. So, in Germany, discrimination was made among boys and girls. But discrimination was made with the mothers also. How? All the mothers were not considered equal. The women who produced the more Nazi children, they were honored. For example, for the 4 children, they were given the bronze cross. For the 6, they were given the silver. And for the 8 or more children, they were given the gold cross. And the women who made contact with the Jew people, they were discriminated or given the punishment. Poles and Russians, they were also given the punishment, such as Poles and Russian women or mothers, they were given the punishment such as to shave their heads, blacken their faces, and put the placard hanging around their necks. I have salute the honor of the nation. This slogan has been written on that placard.